Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create a new user for CHUWI UBook X. To do this, we'll need to open our settings. You can do it by clicking on Start and that gear icon. Inside, select the accounts, then move to Family and Other Users, add someone else to this PC. Right here there's the window and you can log into their Microsoft account if they have one. If not, select I don't have this person sign in information and then select add user without Microsoft account. Now we can enter their name, also the password. It's optional, you can leave it empty if you don't want any password on that account, and then click on the next and it should create new account on your PC. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.